Our next presenter is from our Japanese distributor, Patcore, and they have built a virtual whiteboard using ChemAxon technologies to enable collaboration.
So, hello everyone. Today I'm pleased to introduce our new product concept, CRAIS Board, that is a virtual whiteboard to be used for scientific discussions. The reason why we decided to develop this system is many non-scientific projects are conducted online, but not really for pharma industry yet. And recently, many pharma companies use CROs outside of their home countries, and so we believe this type of system would help the discussion online, but not only in the same facility. As a result, it will lead to increase their research efficiency, and people are simply able to save travel costs and time. So our aim of developments are to provide the virtual environment which enable scientific discussion in the facility or from 2 or more different locations. And it should have capabilities to share and edit one diagram by several people at the same time with chemical drawing functions. The second is the diagram should be able to connect to the corporate database or web services, because it is very common to that people need to access to known data like assay results or physicochemical properties during their discussions. Or on CRAIS Board, you can easily insert those information in your diagram. And third is to store all editing history so that people are able to know how the project has been progressed so far. Because usually a project would be continued for a few years, and joining or leaving people often happen. Then the system needs to be like team members can catch up the past discussion easily. The CRAIS board consists of a general collaborative drawing tool as a platform and ChemAxon's fine chemical engines. The current prototype version uses the system called Kaku, and it provides ability to create a variety of diagrams such as flowcharts with a wide variety of stencils, connectors, and auto-alignment functions and so on. And I'm going to show you the demo video. The first is to insert chemical structures on your diagram. We have 3 options. This is searching by ID from your corporate database. And you can move items on canvas and zoom in and out. And this is next is doing a structure search. And the structure will be auto-aligned to others automatically. And also you can copy and paste and modify the structure, or draw directly with Marvin Sketch. And next is to display assay value and property on your diagram. And when you use arrow connectors, they will be a parent and child relationship and become possible to get the comparative value between them. To make a link to the assay database, specify the assay group that you want to display. And save. And I'm now choosing 3 different assays here. And they will be displayed in the small window beside the structure. And this is assay value and physicochemical properties and other items from your database. And you can paste them on your diagram. And in this case, this will be a parent structure, and this will be a child. And the software calls them structure A and B. And these blue and red values are comparative value. And you can choose different formula options for each independent assay, like B minus A for this assay and B divided by A for other assay. And you can switch the display type between actual numbers or just simple up and down displays. And to keep more space, you can close the node and open again. And next is to share your diagram with others. And we have 3 types of folders to store diagrams: owned by me and shared with me, and the project-based shared folder. And currently my diagram is in the owned by me folder. And this is the diagram owner, and these are the assays you chose, and status is private. And now I'd like to share it with other project members. And you select people by email address, and invite. Then those three people can become possible to edit and discuss on this diagram. And this is a editing history summary. And for more detail, you have history button up here. And you can flip the pages at each saving point. And modified parts from a previous diagram are highlighted in orange color, like this. And export options in different file formats are also available. Okay. Sorry, this part was a little bit too long. And also you can move this diagram to a project-based folder. And now your diagram was shared in 5HD1 project folder. And that's the one. And the final demo is about search function. To find the items in existing diagrams, there are some options. And this is doing substructure search. And also restricted by project. And this red structure is your search query. And also full text search or screen search are also possible. And another unique option is comparative value search. And you can set comparative value between parent and child for specific assay results, or log P, molecular weight, and so on to be targeted. And this is trying to find compounds that have CYP1A2 ratio is under 1. And this is the result, and these 2 compounds have matched to the search condition. Okay. So about the current status of CRAIS Board, we have finalized the prototype for our market research. And we still see little bugs, but we do have a trial site to play with. And we are also looking for tools, partners for further product enhancement. And these are the And these are the functions under consideration. Property calculation via web service, duplicate check to corporate databases, and HTML5 to support touch panel operation. And if you have any suggestions or your current needs, we are very happy to hear it. And this is a summary slide, and thank you very much for your attention.